Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily set Mozilla Firefox as your default browser on your Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to head over to the Google Play Store and make sure that you have installed Firefox into your phone. Search for Mozilla Firefox and then you'll have to install this application. Or I have already installed it. I'll simply click on open, and now you can see the application is opened. And now if you want to set this browser as your default browser, you'll have to tap on three dots on the top right corner and then tap on settings on the bottom. Now you'll have to tap on set as default browser. That is the last option in the first section of general, and you'll have to tap on it, and it will show you all the browsers that have been installed in your phone right now. And you'll have to select on Firefox, and if you'll tap on set as default, it will be set as your default browser. I don't want it to set my default browser. I want Google Chrome to be my default browser, so I will tap on cancel. So that's how you can easily set Mozilla Firefox as your primary browser or default browser on your Android. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.